Here we are. Hello, everybody. It's time to begin. 2 minutes early. That's early Mar to you guys. Ozma's there. Carl's there. Doom Reaper 1233. Dylan's here. Greediest Grin. Hello. Kooky B. Reuniclus X. Emma Memer. Oh, hello. Shut up. Ozma says, he said my name. Oh my god. Snackanaki Wacky's in the house. This is going to be a different kind of stream. I don't know if it's going to be more or less popular than the usual ones. Let's hope it's at least the same. Because, you know, I think everybody likes to learn a little bit, see something new, even if they don't know if they're ever going to use whatever they're learning. I hope to make this fun. I hope to try and be a good teacher. I hope to field any, questions, and I don't want this to go by too quick, but I also do definitely want to have time at the end to use the Minecraft server that we're going to be building. So I am going to, we'll just chill. We'll hang out for the first 10, 15 minutes till we've got a crowd, and then we'll start right into it. Hey there, first time chatters. There's Lenny. Hey there, Lenny. Bear Roll Wubba. Tyler. First time chatter. Rick Asylum 13. How's it going, Tomar? Going fine, thank you. And we have another first time chatter. Zits on my face. Thank you, the Gamer Canine, for resubscribing for 8 months. Daddy Tomar, I've arrived to join the party. Hey there, F Kim, Lord Smoky Jeff, the Gamer Canine. Yes, we had first time chatter Zits on my face, who says, hi Dad, thanks for the homeschooling program. I do hope this is a fun thing. I wanted to try something different. This is my first something different besides, I guess our first something different, we have Ozma to thank for. That was like when we started doing the Game Boy commercials. That was a little something different. But this is something else different. Who wants to just do video game streams every time? Even though this is totally related to a video game. Welcome to episode 1 of TomarCraft. Wait, should I read this whole thing Ozma just sent? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to episode 1 of TomarCraft, the series where I play Minecraft. This is going to be a single-player Let's Play, and when I say Let's Play, I use the term pretty loosely because I am an idiot at this game. You're going to see lots of fails. You're going to see lots of triumphs. At least I'm hoping, so go grab yourself a nice hot cup of coffee, hot cup of cocoa. I got apple cider right here, freshly brewed. Let me take a sip. That's some good cider. Was that a direct quote ripped from somebody, Ozma? That seemed very specific. Wait, Blowing Cogs just did the same thing, and Tyler just did this. Did you guys plan something? This is definitely some kind of copy pasta. Everybody's doing it. What is going on? Is that a direct quote from an old Germa Minecraft video? Great. I'm glad you're all having fun. Thank you, by the way, Doom Reaper, for resubscribing for 5 months. Thank you, the Gamer Canine, for the 150 bits. Let's get this hype train started. Oh yeah, Doom Reaper says, I love you, Tomar. It's always fun when someone named Doom Reaper says they love you. Let's get this hype train started, said the Gamer Canine. Squarmp, thank you for the 100 bits. Squarmp just sent the entire quote again. I'm not going to read it every time someone sends it. Doom Reaper did the same thing. We have Hot Dog Buns, first time chatter, who simply says Tomar, Tomar, Tomar. Another first time chatter, Jitter G, who says, hi, Tommy. Hey, Tomar, can you make Jigglypuff sounds? Asks Bean Mongoose. What? Just like isn't that what it's more or less what he sounded like, right? I'm not gonna go any further than that. Now you're a real Twitch streamer, Tomar. Copy pasta has ruined your chat. Thank you, Ozma. I'm pretty sure you started that. Lenny. Oh, Amin is raiding with a party of 6. Oh, and thank you, Dylan, for the 100 bits and the copy pasta. You guys, everyone say hello to Sweet Bean Amin. Amin has just joined us in a 6-person raid. Doom Reaper with another 100 bits is this one says, oh, they did a rewrite. Hello, pawns and peasants. Welcome to episode 1 of TomarCraft, the series where I play Minecraft. This is going to be a single player let's play. It's not going to be a single player let's play. This isn't true. That's the only thing you modified was pawns and peasants. All right. I'm not trying to be Germa. I'm not. Oh. Excuse me. BM Farts, thank you for the 200 bits. Please don't name the server MindConf. I know you enjoy calling things that make that for some reason. That is not true, BM Farts. I don't appreciate the implication. Gamer K9, thank you for the 150 bits. More bits, more level 2, baby. Jitter G, thank you for the 100 bits. Tyler, thank you for gifting a sub to the glorious Amin. And thank you, Amin, for gifting 2 more subs.
Double gift.
Page flipped. That was Amin's double gift right there. To Page Flip and Super Milk Tea. Enjoy that, you guys. Thank you, Amin. Dylan says, Amin, you are a beautiful being. I agree. I'm not a germaphobe. With a G, I'm neither kind of germaphobe, the G or the J one. That's why I shave my head like Howie Mandel. I love this term, germophobic. Have fun with tonight's stream. I'll be coming in to check on things since I can't be a pro gamer like you guys. Have fun, chat and mods. Well, you have a good night too, Snot. Oh my god, I'm still getting rammed with copy pasta. Kosama, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Carl gave me a toppy pasta that just changed it. Hello, Tomar and Tomar. Welcome to the episode 1 of Tomar, the series where I play Tomar. This is going to be a single player Let's Tomar. And when I say Let's Tomar, I use that term pretty loosely because I am a Tomar at this Tomar. You're going to see lots of Tomar. You're going to see lots of Tomar. At least I'm hoping. So go grab yourself a nice hot cup of Tomar. Hot cup of Tomar. I got Tomar right here, freshly brewed. Let me take a sip. Ah, that's good Tomar. All right, I'm going to stop. This is going to be a 100 or something. Doom Reaper gave me 100 bit. Doom Reaper, I don't have time to read all these giant copy pastas. Maybe, no, I'm not even going to do one more. But thank you, Doom Reaper, for the 100 bits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. We're just getting slammed here with good things. With good things.
Holy f***ing sh**! It's a gifting spree!
That was Lenny. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you so much, Lenny, for the gifting spree. Oh my god. Oh goodness gracious. FKim, thank you for the 100 bits. I could have done it. Oh, it's Grease Chan. I could have done it. By the way, Tomar, I've sent you the FKim no talent into your Twitter DM, so chat can use it and abuse of the no talent. I like that. I'm gonna add your no talent icon and the other stuff you sent me. I do think we could use some more emotes. Should we set them up like while we're sitting here? Is that appropriate? I think so. Dashboard.twitch.tv. Make me a winner. What do we got here? We're going to go to viewer rewards. We're going to go to emotes. I'm going to open my Twitter messages and find FKim. It's going to be fun times. Oh, I also have that one that that Drawing Blood sent me, the Poggers Tomar. I hate saying I hate saying that. I hate saying the word anything with POG, and it just doesn't feel right coming out of my mouth. All right, we're gonna go to pictures, Twitch. This is gonna be called Pogmar. I'm gonna have an icon called Pogmar. Maybe I'll hold off on that one. And then there's this one, this lovely thing. Something.png. This would be called no talent.png. This one, the No Talent, is the one we're going to upload today. This is going to be for subscribers only. Tier 1. We're uploading notalent.png. No talent. Let's upload it. And I mean, it's now officially uploaded. Pray for the Pogmar. Great Chobus. No, the Pogmar is gonna have to wait because I still have to magic wand tool it, and that's gonna take me like way too much time. We're already at 8. You know what? Maybe there is time. Here, guys, check this out. I'm gonna even share my screen for a second, so just so I'm not just doing this in a vacuum. Tomar, where's my display capture? Here we go. Is that the right one? Yes. Excellent. Okay, this is stuff that I have prepared for today. This is the paper documentation. Got our Minecraft stuff. We got our Goxler crap. Got Putty open. Thank you. Oh my goodness, I need to catch up with everything else. Sunny Hypes, thank you for the 1,000 bits. Oh my goodness, I need to catch up with a lot of things. And thank you again, FKim. Epic Owen 785, thank you for resubscribing for 5 months. Won the new egg shuffle. Oh crap, I won a new egg shuffle today and I forgot to get it, and that was an hour ago. It expired. Oh no. Oh, you reminded me. I wish I'd realized that after the stream. I would have gotten a 3080 today. Oh my god. Oh, it's too late. Well, I'm glad you won, Epic Owen. And I'm glad you were smart enough to actually buy the thing you won in time. Oh well. I lucked out. Hopefully I'll luck out again. Well, I'll just let that luck ride. Thank you, Emma Memer, for the 50 bits. Is Pikmin 14 going to be on the server? What about IggyBot? They were my favorite. I mean, I don't know. They're welcome to join if they're out there. And thank you again very much, Lenny, for that gifting spree. Gamer K9, thank you for the 100 bits, and thank you, Gunter, for subscribing. Now, all right, let's get our little paint.net going here. Because this is the quickest. This is what I think is the quickest way to do this. What do we got here? We got our Twitch pictures. Here's the Pogmar image. So we're gonna take this. We got to get it down to a square. So first, yeah. You know what? Let's go. We'll take our canvas size. We won't maintain the aspect ratio, and we'll just set this to 2048 by 2048. So now we've got a nice square, and then we are gonna take our magic wand and just get rid of all that. That was pretty easy. That was, yeah, it's pretty much done. Now we'll do save as pogmar.png. Oh goodness, this is probably too. Is this too big to upload? I think it has to be. We can scale this down. Let's scale this down by like half, because you're never gonna see it this big anyway. 20 minutes flew by. Has it really been 20 minutes already? Oh, no, it's been 13 minutes. No, what are you talking about, 20 minutes? 14 minutes. We just hit 14 minutes live. Thank you, Rusty Button, for subscribing. Thank you, Tuddy Wuddy, for the 60 bits. Thank you, Kerbunski, for resubscribing for 5 months. You guys, all these subs are making my day. He was talking about the magic wand taking so long. No, that's why it's magic. Yeah, let's resize this to like half. Just because it doesn't need to be this big. Yeah, we're still at like 88% zoom. This is the actual size. It's too dang big. Okay, save as pogmar.png. We're going to replace that. Estimated file size 440 kilobytes. Perfect. Now, I don't think I'm giving anything away showing this screen, so I'm just going to go straight for it. Yes, it has to be less than a megabyte. There, pogmar.png. Should it be 2 G's or 1? We're going to do 2 G's, I guess. All right. There. It exists now. It's out there in the wild. It's been done. We're done with this browser. We're going to be using this browser. We're going to go. You're not going to get my AWS login. I've already pre-logged in here. You'll learn nothing. You'll learn nothing of my account. And you don't have the 2-factor. You'll never get in. You'll never get in. Kerbunski, I think I did thank you for resubscribing for 5 months, but thanks again. And Dylan, 3713, our good old Dylan B, thank you for the 50 bits. Tomar, I'll be wearing my Giorno Giovanna skin. Will you be in your Dio skin so that we can be father and son cosplay in Minecraft? No, I'm going to use my Tomar skin that I haven't changed since literally 2010. That's why it still has hair on its head. It's classic Tomar who never wore a shirt. My Minecraft model has always just been me in like yellow boxer shorts. But we have Bad Comac who says, I want to be a voice actor and I'm still trying to discover my voice. How do you find your deep voice? I want to do a narrator voice or something similar to Master Chief or Batman / Kevin Conroy, but I haven't been able to figure it out. You only have your own voice to work with. Being able to change it is cool. It's a very useful skill, but if you ever wanted to be a voice actor, the biggest tip I could give you is find what your natural range, what your natural voice fits best for, and try to like bolster that before you start trying to sound like someone you're not. And maybe you do sound like Kevin Conroy. I don't know, but that seems like that was your question. You're not gonna be someone that you're not. You have the voice you were born with, so you should try to make the best out of that. Let's see, Tomar, you could probably do a really good Fred Flintstone. Say Wilma. I'm not gonna say Wilma. Skin.com is where Tomar got his classic iconic Minecraft skin. Go to skin.com. It's got skin. Tomar, how are you with Linux? Do you know your way around the terminal? Yes, we'll be in a Linux terminal today. Probably not a whole ton, but yes. Yes, I spend much of my average day in a Linux terminal.
Bonnie, my pebbles.
Is that the Fred Flintstone you guys were all waiting for? Tomar, do you read Berserk? I read Berserk. Does anyone know if they're actually going to keep releasing post Miura chapters? I still haven't heard any of that. Let me in, Jaxie. We getting Debian? We're just gonna run Ubuntu 2004. You know what? So I had my like test thing I made. So okay, we've signed into Amazon.com, AWS. This is Amazon's cloud platform. For those of you, I'm gonna try to explain everything as thoroughly as possible. I don't want to talk over people's heads. That's not the point of this. This is all for fun. If anybody has any questions, you can let me know. But so yeah, we had already built. I had done kind of a test build of this, just so I wasn't going into this totally blind. It's nothing crazy. Yeah, we had just built a T3A medium for Minecraft.tonemotor.com. What I'm gonna do here is we have our Elastic IP, which is already, I just wanted to have something already bound and set up to Minecraft.tomomoto.com. You guys, you're not going to be able to get to anything there right now because the security group is not opened up on the Minecraft port. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is AWS. There's a billion services related to this. If you go to all services, these are all the services. It's so many different things, but we're going to be focused primarily on one called EC2. What does that stand for? Something like Elastic Cloud Compute. It's ECC, but they thought it'd be cooler to call it EC2. And what does that mean? It's virtual machines. Do you guys know what virtual machines are? Have you guys heard of VMware? Have you heard of what's a popular open source one, like something box? There was something. What the hell was that one called? Uh, not DOSBox. Yeah, Chemu is a virtual box. Yeah, all of those are types of virtual machine systems. The idea is basically, for those of you not familiar with what a VM or virtual machine is, it is a virtual computer usually running on with shared tenancy. In other words, it is not the only computer running on a larger, more powerful physical computer, usually a rack server in a data center somewhere, which is certainly the case with AWS. So our computer is, our little virtual machine is probably running alongside a bunch of other virtual machines, but as far as we're concerned, it has its own resources. It's completely isolated from any of those other machines, other than maybe resource usage. That's a whole other thing. I don't want to get into resource allocation. It's going to be pretty straightforward here, though. So we're in Amazon. We're using Amazon EC2, and there's this cool thing here called an elastic IP address. See, we have this public. This is clearly a public IP address that we've allocated, and we can attach this to any. For the sake of simplicity, we'll just say we could attach this to any virtual machine we have. And you guys seeing this is no big deal, because this is meant to be a public-facing IP address. So what we're going to do is say disassociate elastic IP address. We're going to disconnect this from that existing test server we have now. And now we're going to go back to our instances. These are our running VMs. So this represents a virtual Linux computer. What about that private IP it showed? Again, that's just a meaningless private IP. This is on a network where nothing else exists. This is all very isolated. There's no risk in you guys seeing any of the internal IP addresses that pop up here. They have nothing to do with my home. They are all hosted out in the AWS cloud. That just meaning they're out in a data center somewhere. By the way, did I miss some stuff? Dcross950, thank you for resubscribing with Prime for 3 months. Lord Smoky Jeff, thank you for resubscribing for 4 months. Can you congratulate me for making it? Absolutely, Lord Smoky Jeff. Congratulations on getting accepted into your university. I don't know which university, because I don't have that information, but if it's worth congratulating you for, it must be a good one. So we're proud of you, Lord Smoky Jeff. And then Carl, thank you for the 50 bits. Can I run a virtual machine if I'm using an... I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to... Carl Timlin used the 3 words ice and then wallow and then just unabashedly KUM is how they spelled it. Machine. It's Swedish. Carl, quit trolling. Tomar, you killed the server on us. Yeah, I killed the server on you. I told you I'd do that. We're starting from scratch. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Wait, I didn't actually kill the server. I just killed the public IP. See, there's no public IP address anymore. So we're going to kill this. We could set our instance state to... You could stop it to just shut it down. You can reboot it, or we can terminate it. We're going to terminate it. And we're going to delete the EBS volumes. This is not set to delete on termination, because I thought maybe I'd reuse it, but I am going to go and delete that. What is an EBS volume? Think it's just a virtual hard drive. That's all you guys need to know. It's the virtual hard drive that was on our virtual computer. Hey there, Saucin7. All right, so let's go. We'll look up our EBS volume that did not get deleted. It's this little 50 gigabyte hard drive here. And you know what? We're just going to delete the crap out of this too. We're just deleting it. We don't need it anymore. Is there any backup of it? Hell no. It's just gone. It's simply gone. And do we have any snapshots? No. AMIs, these are images. We're going to make use of these at some point in the future, but probably not during this tutorial. But basically, AMIs are the easiest way to take an image or basically a frozen snapshot in time of a virtual machine, and then you can spin it up with totally different hardware specs elsewhere. And I'm going to be saying stuff like spinning up, spinning down a lot. If you're not familiar with that, am I going too fast? I feel like I'm getting nervous and talking too fast. I feel like there's a lot to cover, but really there's no rush. I'm gonna. Is it bad that I spelt it with two G's? Is that awful? All right. Cause yeah, it seems like Tyler's mocking me. All right, so we took down our old Minecraft.tomo.com. The state is terminated. Eventually this will disappear, but usually takes a few days before that vanishes. We could filter it out if we wanted to, but who cares? All right. So let's begin. We're going to launch our instance now. This is how you set up a new VM. So now we have all these options, these pre-existing AMIs. Like I was saying, that's like an image. It's like a base. It's the base like operating system you're starting with. You can think of it as. So I am an Ubuntu boy. I use Ubuntu for most of my personal servers. So why deviate from what I use the most? Ubuntu is a fork of something else called Debian. The point is, it's just a type of Linux. If you don't know what Ubuntu is, if you don't know what Red Hat is, don't worry. They're all just different operating systems built around the Linux kernel, which is the core of the operating system. What domain registrar do I recommend? None in particular. I don't know. I mean, I used to use Namecheap.com, and eventually I started using just Google Domains. Google Domains comes with free like privacy and all that, and it's like what? It's pretty much most domains are like $10 a month or $12 a month with privacy included. Or not a month, sorry, a year. $12 a year with privacy included. So I do use Google Domains quite a bit. All right, so what we're going to use is we like to use LTS. That means long-term support. There's newer versions of Ubuntu than this, but the LTS versions, which is every even 0.04, so 1804 was the previous one. The current one is 2004. This is going to have software update support for like minimum 5 years. Oh God, what happened to our webcam? Hold on a second. I am gonna fix that. Let's vanish me for a second and bring it on and back. Bring it on home. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna select an x86 because we don't want an ARM processor. We don't need that, even though we could probably save some money. We're gonna do a normal x86, which is your typical whatever computer you're working on at home. There's a 99% chance it is x86 based processor architecture. All right. So now, what kind of server do we want? There's a lot of choices, and as you can see, they have all these different names. It's like a bunch of random numbers and letters. This is all AWS specific crap. There's no like general like magic to any of this. This is just something Amazon uses to describe all their offerings, and you'll see each one has a list next to it of how many CPUs it has and how much RAM in gigabytes. And then there's stuff about storage and the network performance. 5 gigabits nice, but what we want, we're going to go for something that has 10 gigabit. We're going to go for something really hefty. I'm going to use an R5A instance, which the R5 means I believe it means it's specifically RAM optimized, and the A just means it's an AMD processor. And since those use less energy, they're a little cheaper than a normal R5, which would be running an Intel processor. Ozma says, Tomar, I used an R4 to play 3DS games. It's basically the same thing, right? That's cute, Ozma. No relation to the R4 or the Ace card. Oh no, I absolutely want to be playing today, Bobby boy, but we got to set it up first. All right, how much WAM are we going to have? Well, if you look at the R5A, we're going to go with a 2XL. We're going to have 64 gigs of RAM and 8 virtual processors with up to 10 gigabits of network performance. That should be good for a nice high scale server. So this costs about 45 cents an hour to run, which doesn't sound so bad, and it's not so bad for the sake of being up during the stream. And I'll probably leave it up for a few more hours after the stream so people can have fun. But if we ran it all month, it would be like $325 a month, which I don't know. That's more than I have ever spent on personal web hosting. But that's what's cool about AWS. We can just run this on demand, and we can shut it down whenever we want, and they stop charging us. They just round to like the nearest. In fact, I think they like rounded the nearest minute in terms of how long you've been running. So yeah, we're gonna have 64 gigs of AWAM in our server, dedicated AWAM. About 60 of those will be going straight to Java, and the other 4 will just, we'll just have to have them. But most of that is going to go straight to our Minecraft server. Okay, next we got to set up some details. What about all this? Most of this stuff we can ignore because we don't have a complicated network setup. VPC, it's a virtual network. We're just going to use defaults. Defaults are good. Do we need to auto-assign a public IP? No, we don't, because we're going to attach our Elastic IP I mentioned earlier later, and that's what's going to tie this whole server to that address, minecraft.tomamoto.com. Also, thank you, artist. Oh, I keep missing cool stuff. Smoked Ribs, thank you for resubscribing for 3 months. You got your second Tomar Emerald. I love you, bromy. Rayoken, thank you for resubscribing for 4 months. Thanks for always making me smile, friend. Thank you for being a fan, Rayoken, and for being a fan of Smiling Friends, as is inferred here. Artist Draws, thank you for resubscribing for 5 months. Tomar, I have been working on Docker for the last couple of months. Created a Minecraft Docker container using Kubernetes. Super fun setting up. I look forward for Tomar Tech Time. I thought about doing like a container-based thing for this, but I just like I like the simplicity of
no talent, mediocre piece of shit.
Hello, Money Rat. Thank you for that. This should buy a couple of hours. Keep the change. Yeah, that will buy a couple of hours, Money Rat. I'll make sure to keep it running later into the night, even after the stream ends. There's no telling when I'll turn it off. Maybe I'll even leave it on a few days. The way this stream is going so far, I feel very incentivized. Yeah, every time someone gives me 45 bits, that's like an hour of Minecraft time. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, Greediest Grin, for the 50 bits. Thank you, the Gamer Canine, for 100 bits. Hacksomar. Thank you, Captain Squiggles, for the 150 bits. That's why they call him No Hard R Tomar. Wait, what? Dylan, thank you for the 50 bits. That what Tomar means is that everyone should donate more so we can keep the server up constantly. Oh, that's what's going on. This is all thanks to Dylan. Artist Draws says, oh, okay, no, I got Artist Draws. That was the Docker thing. Thank you, Emma Memer, for the 45 bits. Thank you, Zephyr Lamb, for the 45 bits. Thank you, Carl, for the 45 bits. Thank you, Jurassic Jesus, for 13 bad luck bits. Creeper will kill you tonight. Jurassic Jesus is out to get me, I think, you guys. All right. So let's get through this config now. I as much as I do appreciate all this stuff. Do you know Joe? Asks Blue Sweatio or Blue Sweeto. Who's Joe? Joe what? Joe who? Who's Joe Minecraft? Oh, this was all just a Joe. Was this all just a Joe Mama joke? All right. Thank you, Epic Owen, for the 100 bits. Minecraft indeed. All right. Let's make some progress here. So, we're setting up our VM. We got all that RAM. I don't think we have to mess with too much other stuff here. We got kinds of groups like if we shut down, do we just automatically terminate? You know what? Maybe we do. Nah. So this stuff we could pretty much all keep as default. We don't want to do anything special here. So we're going to add our storage next. This is going to be our main hard drive. And we want GP3, and I'm just going to use the defaults here. This guarantees us 125 megabyte per second throughput, which I think should be enough for the Minecraft server. We can always increase this at a later time. But more importantly, the size. We care about our size. I'm thinking 50 gigs is a good place to start. I know how big worlds can get, but that takes time for them to grow like that. Um, that's assuming that someone doesn't do something awful. But this is again, this is not difficult to expand after the fact. So I say we start with 50 gigabytes and go from there. Like I said, if I find that we're filling up fast, we can blast more space into here. But the more this is, the more that this is, the more I'm paying for storage, even during our downtime, because I don't want to delete the world. I do want to maintain this world persistently forever. So we'll cover the cost on that. It's like 9 cents a gigabyte per month. It's not crazy expensive, but that even that can get out of control if you let it. Thank you thank you Hankust for resubscribing for 2 months, by the way, and thank you for Koi's Play for the 500 bits. Thank you so much. Hey, I worked on Unabridged and it shocked me that you said you've seen it. What's your honest thoughts about it? I don't want to talk about Unabridged right now, but I do appreciate you reaching out. I'm gonna take a 5 on that. I'm gonna take a pass, take a Fifth Amendment, even though this isn't a trial. S Vegeta guys, thank you for resubscribing for 4 months. Teehee Minecraft funny, make it like 20 billion terabytes. I'm not gonna make it like 20 billion terabytes. That's not gonna happen. Thank you, Big Boy Baby, for subscribing tier 1. All right, now we're gonna add a tag. The only tag I really care about is just handy. I like it to have a name, and I just want to keep calling it Minecraft. It just makes it very obvious what it is. We're just going to put the domain name right there. It's going to be minecraft.tomamoto.com. We can do any other amount of arbitrary tags, but the name with a capital N is just handy because that's how it shows up in the list. So now I've got some predefined security groups, which, you know what? Crap. So I need a new IP now because that thing reveals too much crap. Let me just kill this display capture, and we're gonna do allow from Tomar House, and this is a predefined thing that that allows access from my house so that we can SSH in and set up the rest of the server. I'm not terribly nervous. It's a very minor dox because all I need to do is reset my modem and just leave it off for like 10 minutes later over the weekend. We are hacking into Tomar's house. So let us, and I'm not going to show you this screen either because it is the same crap, but I am going to click there is simply a launch button. Vote, vote, vote. Wait, why are people voting on the disk space? 500 megs, 1,000 pitas. Okay, this is a joke. This is a joke vote. All right. So I am going to launch it, and I'm going to launch it with my pre-existing key that I already have loaded into my SSH agent, and now we can bring back the display capture. Okay, it says your instances are now launching. We can see our new thing coming up. In the meantime, let's go back to our Elastic IP, not because we still need some way to reach this thing. We're going to do associate Elastic IP address, and we're going to associate it with our already running thing, and it's going to map to the existing IP address, and we can allow it to be reassociated, because why not? So we just attached this to our VM. So now, as you can see, there is a public IP listed, and it's the one associated with minecraft.tomamoto.com. All right, so now comes the SSH stuff. For most Windows SSH crap, it's like I could run my virtual Ubuntu box and use native OpenSSH, but Putty's convenient. So we're going to use Putty. and we have a predefined. So potential security breach. This is a normal error to receive because it's saying, hey, this server isn't identifying itself as what it did the last time you connected, and that's because we deleted it and made a brand new one. So of course it isn't. So we're going to say, yes, we're cool with that. And it logged in with our key, and we are now user Ubuntu, and we're on our new server. And I like to do a little housekeeping stuff. So let's, and again, this is still not publicly reachable yet. So now we are SSH'd in. What does that mean? It means we are in a secure shell. Oh, goodness. Let's make our font a little bigger, though, right? So you guys can actually see what's going on. We're going to go to appearance in here. We're going to change it to like what? Maybe like a 16-point font. Is that too big? That looks nice, right? Hopefully that's a little more readable to everybody. We get all this crap when we log into the box. But yes, we're now in a bash shell. We are in Linux. I'm going to run the clear command to clear everything off so we can start with a nice clean screen. That's what the clear command does. You all just learned something about using a shell. All right. Why is everyone saying he's finished? Hero Brian is hacked. All right. Whenever I see the people, the heads holding a hand thing, it gets me all stressed out. Okay. Tomar just deleted the internet. All right. So we got this shell here, right? But we got that ugly, see that ugly host name, IP17231. I just don't like that. So first of all, we're going to run sudo su. Sudo means super user do, and su just means super user. But when you use them combined, it's just a quick way to become root. You can see on the far left side there, we are now the user root. And we are going to run the command hostname ctl. Oh, you're going to hear a lot of those annoying alarms. Let's see if we can turn that off for the sake of this. We're going to turn off the bell so it doesn't drive everybody insane. That is on by default. So we are root. We are the root user. It's honestly, it probably is better to just use sudo to do stuff. That's like the recommended way to do things. So we can do that. Hostname ctl. This is a command for changing the host name on modern Linux instances. And it has, we're going to use the command set host name. This is the sort of things that's just not worth explaining in depth, because all we're doing is changing our host name to minecraft.tomomoto.com because it makes me happy, because it looks good. If we open a new bash shell, now it says Ubuntu at Minecraft. It looks so nice and clean, and I like that. And, you know, if we hit host name, it gives us the whole thing back. Anyway, who cares? All right, so next thing is, all right. I did write down some notes so I don't get too lost. But yeah, what we want to do now is install Java 17, which we're going to start working off of our nice little read the docs here for paper. So one of the easier ways to install, we can just follow these instructions. We could just we really can just copy paste all this crap. But I'm going to run through it one line at a time with you guys. So they're saying apt-get install software properties common. I'm pretty sure we would already have that. And we got to, oh yeah, we got to sudo that. By the way, bang bang is, or double exclamation point is a way to just say whatever the last thing is that I typed. So we can just say sudo that. And wait, we just did clear? Oh, whoops. I guess I didn't actually hit enter. That's weird. Okay, so the point is that went there. We already have software properties common. That's pretty normal. But it's because they're going to have to use this command apt key. So we're installing a signing key. This is boring crap. Now we're adding a repository. So apt, apt, or apt-get is Ubuntu and Debian's, like, it's a package manager. Basically, it's a way to really quickly install like basic common software on a system without having to it's one of the easiest things in the world. It's like, imagine if you could just go just type into a thing like install Discord, and then just Discord was on your computer. That's basically what apt-get is. It's a package manager. So now we've updated our stuff, and we're going to run sudo apt-get install Java 17 Amazon Coretta. So basically, this is a nice pre-made Java 17 installation put together by Amazon called Corretto. But yeah, it gets us up and running really quick. Once this finishes, we will have Java 17 fully installed in our system. I'm going to come back real quick and see what I've missed. Big boy baby, thank you for the tier 1. Dylan, thank you for the gift sub. Cookie B, thank you for the $1.35 tip. 3 hours for the server. Thank you so much, Cookie B. BM Farts, thank you for the 200 bits. Be careful when making Tomar jokes. When he gets mad enough, he's been known to sneak into houses and cut holes in your groceries, causing them to expire early. That's a good bit of advice, BM Farts. Captain Squiggles, I mean, I never thought to do that until you... I mean, I was doing all sorts of other things to expire people's groceries. Captain Squiggles, thank you for the 100 bits. Tomar's Tech Tips is coming right for Linus. I don't know about that. All right, so we have Java installed. We can prove that by just literally typing like Java version. We see we have OpenJDK 17.0.2 now installed. Just the fact that if that was not a real command, it would say command not found. Java is now installed. We have what we need. Now let's go back to that paper documentation. Running a paper server, getting started. So what we want now is the server jar, the latest server jar, as in the Java archive, the executable Java file. So here we could click this and download it to our browser, but all we really need is the URL. So we're going to copy the link address, and there's this cool command called wget or webget, which lets you just paste in a URL to a file, and it'll just download it to whatever directory you're in. So, if you... ls, by the way, is a common way to list the contents of a directory. ls-l gives you more details than that. But you know what? I feel like I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's delete this. And let's create a new user, because we don't want to run this as root or anything else. Let's make a dedicated user for Minecraft, and we're just going to call it Minecraft. So we're going to use the command add user Minecraft. Add user is something that user add is the more Linux like native one, but add user is a cool little thing that's interactive, and it prompts you to make a password and asks you a few little questions, which why not? And oh yeah, we have to do it as the root user, so we got to do sudo that. And now I'll just make up a password. I don't know. Wait, I swear I just hit enter. All right, and the name is going to be Minecraft. Oh, it's going to be Minecrafty, apparently. We can leave all this other crap blank. Is all that correct? Yes. And now we can become the user Minecraft using sudo su. And now, here we are in home/Minecraft. Minecraft users home folder. And now would be a good time to wget that paper jar. So now we have the latest version of the paper Minecraft server sitting here, and we are going to, this is just a personal preference thing, I'm going to create a symbolic link, the ln-s command. So we're going to make a link to that paper server just so we have a consistent place. So, and we're just going to call it paper.jar. So now you see we have two files here. We have this paper 118.1, which, again, based on Minecraft 118.1. And paper.jar is just a link pointing to that file. And LSL gives us a nice representation of that there. So that makes it so now we can just run things against paper.jar for like our server setup stuff. So I could make a systemd service, and maybe eventually will. What that is, you guys don't have to worry about. The concept of a service, though, a service is any program that you want, basically to always be running on your server. If your server's on, that's something you want to be running. But for now, we're just going to do this manually. So we're going to make a cool little shell script based on what's in the documentation. Wrong browser. So they're just saying this is more or less the command you need to get things started. You're going to run Java. This defines memory minimum, memory maximum, and then the jar you actually want to run, and you want to say no GUI to be like, hey, we're running this this version of Java on like a server that doesn't have graphical capabilities. It's just this. It's just this text crap. All right. So we're going to use Vim as my text editor of choice, and we're going to make something called, let's call it like server.sh, common way to name a shell script. And this is called a shebang. So /bin/bash, that's telling it we're going to parse it using /bin/bash. That's the name of the shell we've been in this entire time. You don't have to worry about that. Nano is better if you don't know how to use Vim. Oh my god. Look, Vim is a lot more powerful than Nano. Nano is easier if you're not used to it. Yeah, you call this a shebang because it's hashtag and bang, so it's like hash bang, which is shortened to just shebang. And this tells it what parser to use to run the script. So that's where shebang came from. The gamer canine really loves Nano. No, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna paste this in, and we can take all this crap out because we made our symbolic link to just paper.jar. See, that's why we did that. I don't even have to memorize it. And we're just gonna straight up go 60 gigs. 60 gigs min, 60 gigs max. No GUI. That's it. That's really it. That's going to be our shell script, and we're going to chmod plus x. That means change mode plus. So basically, we're going to make executable server.sh. So you see now the difference there is you've got along the bottom here, these little X's represent the executable bit. The first one means for the owner or the person listed here. The second set here is for the group represented here, and this third set means other. So any other user would have the rights to read and execute this. So in case you ever wanted to know anything about Unix style file permissions, that's how they work. Unix, Linux, whatever. They all POSIX based systems have more or less that same permission structure. But you don't have to worry about any of that. You don't have to worry about any of that. So that's now executable. So now if we did just like, in fact, let's run this inside a screen. What is a screen, you may ask? GNU screen basically lets you run a virtual terminal inside your terminal. So if we type screen right now, it opens this whole thing, and it just gives you a bunch of legal crap. But basically, we're now in this thing. So we can now go /server.sh, and it's going to attempt to launch our Minecraft server. See, so we're downloading the official Mojang jar, applying our paper patches to it, and then we see error, failed to load properties from file server.properties, failed to load EULA.text. You need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server. Okay, so we just generated a bunch of new files. As you guys can probably remember, most of this stuff wasn't here. It was just the jar, the link, and the server.sh. So now we have to go into EULA.text and change this to true. And that's how we agree to it. And while we're here, let's go to server.properties. We can see we've got all these all these unique things. We can make our message of the day that shows up. We could call it Tomartopia, a TomarStream exclusive. And then we can keep our default ports. We're not going to open our remote console port to the world, so no worries about that. We'll do survival mode. Difficulty, I don't know. We'll leave difficulty at easy. We are gonna, let's leave PvP on. These are all the main configurable, like vanilla Minecraft stuff. Server IP we don't have to fill in. It's just gonna listen on all interfaces if you leave that blank. And we want to spawn monsters, hire player. Yeah, this is all pretty much fine. The only thing that I do kind of want to add in, but I forgot the name of it, so we're gonna look it up. There is a missing thing there that I believe. Let's see, Minecraft server.properties. Let's look at the official documentation on server.properties. Let's do a level seed. Normally it'll just do a random world anyway, I'm pretty sure, but I like the idea of doing our own level seed, just so you know this could be recreated at any time. So we're gonna add level seed here equals, what should it be? Should it be Tomar the end? that's gonna be my level seed. It can be, I'm pretty sure it can be literally any string. So it's just gonna be Tomar the end. The official Tomar theme song will now be the seed that generates our random world. And just like that, I can say server.sh. We're still in our screen session, right? By the way, if I hit Control A and then hit D, see, we can detach from that screen, and we're back in this original one. And then if we do screen-R, we can reconnect to it. See, we're back. So that's what screen is for. It lets you have like a bunch of terminals open. There's something else called tmux, which lets you multiplex, which is even more advanced. But we don't want to run tmux inside a screen, because yeah, if we did tmux, we could do like this and then have like a screen down here and a screen up here, and we could type into, and like you could just keep going. You could just keep breaking this apart. But we don't need this stuff right now. I'm just blathering on. Screen works just fine for what we want here. Techmar is taken. Didn't know Tomar was a fucking nerd, says Baloney Boy. Yeah, well, I'm proud of it. I make good money being this level of nerd. I recommend this career to anyone who really does like computers. I love being a system admin. All right. So, we're in our screen session, right? So we are going to do server.sh. Again, we're going to start our server, but this time things will be different. This time the EULA is accepted. So we loaded 7 recipes. We're doing all this, preparing level world. So now it's generating our main world. It's randomizing and generating our main level. Okay, that's done. We generated our basic nether. We generated our end area, and it's pretty much done. So before I open this up to the world to you guys, let's hop in and test it. Oh, that's right. I already had the Minecraft launcher open. So we're going to go to our Java edition. We want 1.18.1, the latest version. Eventually, in March 10th, you have to get a Microsoft account. That hopefully that doesn't screw anything up. I assume I still keep my same Minecraft name. But what the hell just happened? Well, what the hell just happened? Oh, it's just taking forever to launch. All right, so now we're loading up Minecraft. I'm just going to leave this windowed for now. We'll go full screen later. Okay. Lad's Random Tale says they just migrated and it's all the same. Bulbo leak? What are you on about Bulbo leak? There's no Bulbo leak happening. All right, so we go to multiplayer. We have some old servers in here. But yeah. We've got Tomartopia, which should just work. And again, if you guys want it, that's literally just, it's Tomamoto, it's minecraft.tomamoto.com. And ooh, looks like our spawn point is a little mountainous jungle. I don't know what else to call this. But our server's up. We're in. And here I am alone because, you know, we haven't opened the place up yet. But this is our spawn area. All right. So now, what left to do? We could do a few little minor housekeeping things. There was something that was annoying earlier. Okay, chat shown. My chat was like disabled by default. It was like commands only. I just thought that was weird last time I went to play. All right, because I hadn't played in years, so I don't know what that's about. Oh yeah, we need to increase our player count. I totally forgot about that. So you know what? If we can just do a stop right here in the console. That threw us out. As you could hear, the music instantly closed. Yeah, let's go to our server.properties. And what's our max players going to be? Should we do 100 or should we do more? Let's do 150 and see what happens. I have no idea how well this will work. This has never been load tested. It'll be fun to find out what happens when everyone's able to join. So we're going to set our max players to 150. And I think that's fine. All right, let's bring the server back up. All right. So we're in, and you know what? And I'm gonna opt myself. And in a minute, I might go ahead and opt. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I don't just to keep everything a surprise. I'm gonna go off screen for a second. Here, let's reconnect. Make sure this is all. Oh. All right. Everything looks like it's working. Tomar has got his seeds from his seed. All right. And I'm gonna off screen gonna op a few of our moderators before we go. It isn't quite open up to the world yet. All right, so let's op. Let's see. I just gotta. Man, I gotta open my Discord, but I am gonna just hide the screen here for a second. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. This is what we've been building up towards. See, I knew it wouldn't take that long to set up the actual server. This is all pretty straightforward, what we've been doing. Opening Discord. I had all my mods who have Minecraft preemptively give me their usernames so I could do this. I'm not doxing the mod group. That's why I went off screen, Tyler. All right. So, here's my list of Minecraft usernames. All right. So, first I'm going to opt Dylan. Let's have a look here. Opt. Okay. We're going to opt Dylan. We're going to opt Lenny. We're going to opt Azuma. Who has a really, yeah, Lenny and Azuma and Tyler. Most of these names you would totally recognize anyway. I probably could have just done them on screen. I'm going to opt Kunks. And I'm going to opt the Utah Ranger. All right. So now that that's been done, we're going to disconnect from our console. Leave the server running now. And now we have one last very important thing to do. I'm sure I'll get like murdered by creepers or whatever here, but it's not like I have anything to lose on my character. So let's go back to our server. No, actually not back to our server. Let's go back to AWS rather. And we are going to attach a new security group. I made one already just called Public Minecraft. And as soon as I add it and save it, that should be it. So the server is going to be Minecraft.tomamoto.com. I'm sure someone is already murdering me. I can hear it. Yeah, look. It has begun. The death of a Tomar. Is there God mode? No, I guess not. Oh well. I was beaten to death on my own stream. I'll remember this. I was... Who did it say I was slain by? Emma Memer. It was Emma Memer got the killing blow. Congratulations, Emma Memer. I'm gonna just respawn and... I'm doomed. I'm doomed unless I can get... Yeah. Now I'm in creative mode. Someone help me out there. Thank you. Oh, what a mess this is gonna be. Let's full screen it. Let's go, do these guys have... Whatever. We'll just use the built-in full screen. Look at all these fun characters. Why are there already explosions? That's a really good question. It seems like either that was, I mean, I don't have any special security mods on. So hopefully there's not too much hacking. But if you guys really ruin this thing for everybody, you know, that's on you. But now I guess we play a video game. Who wants to build a house? Asks Nick Goblin. Yeah, let's get away from the starting, or I don't know. What is there to do now that I have an open server with all these? I'm gonna go through some notifications I missed. Thank you, Charitish, for subscribing with Prime. Thank you, Dylan, for the 50 bits. Don't forget to opt the mods so we can cull the herd. Those are Dylan's words. Estes Soup says, I'll just be like cameraman for now. Hey there, Dark Knight. Estes Soup, thank you for the 50 bits. I can't wait for the TomarCraft YouTube series. And Tomar, you should have a spot for every sub. Are we really hitting capacity yet? Please, someone tell me if we're hitting capacity. Dark Knight. We got Dark Knight. Look, there's Tyler. Tyler is totally Neo. At least I'm pretty sure that's who I think of. Oh look, we got Cubic Snack, who literally just took my model and properly removed the hair from it. And I guess that's supposed to be like a shiny top of my head. I like that. Here, let's have a look at all these. You got Asian Dad of 9, who's just straight up Homer Simpson. We have S Vegeta guy, who's Brian Griffin, I think. Yeah, when you look him straight in the face, you kind of get that sense of depth. There's Dylan, good old Dylan 3713. Everyone is just so violent. Yeah, who's putting down the TNT? I'm assuming this isn't a normal player cheater and it's just a mod. But yeah, if this causes slowdown in the game, that's just a limitation of Minecraft. But so far the server's keeping up pretty well with all this crap. I'm very pleased with what we were able to do with 64 gigs of RAM. In fact, let's have a look. I'm curious to know if we go into HTOP, we can see exactly what our resource usage looks like. Look at that. We way over allocated. We're only using 14 out of our 64 gigs. 62.2, I guess, with some rounding. Whatever. We're using like a quarter, we're using more or less a quarter to like a third of our RAM. But all the CPUs are pretty hot. And I guess that's probably from the constant explosions and just but none of them are going crazy. Our load average, our short-term load average is 2.3, which means, you know, 2.3 cores being allocated out of 8 cores. So as long as this number stays under 8, we're you know, there's no CPU waiting. So I'd say this is a successful launch so far. See, this is more fun to me than playing the game. So yeah. We're doing good on 64. Well, what is someone this person, who is this Valm Matar? See, what I do want to do in the future is I want to do like a self whitelisting thing through Nightbot. I just didn't have time to set it up this week, but I want to force people to basically whitelist themselves so that there's a tie between the Twitch user and the username, not to display to everybody else, but just for my sake. So if there's some very, very evil griefer, we can publicly mock them or something. I don't know. Just to give some sense of accountability, really, is the whole point of it. I missed what? What are they spelling out here? Don't do anything that horribly violates Twitch's terms of service. I know how risky it is doing this live stuff, but I really do believe in you guys. The fact that someone is just typing out what I think is just my name. That A, I think you need to make that A a little wider. Oh. Or is this Tomney? What does this say? Oh, there you go. Tomar. Look at all those lovely fireworks. Who's this fella? This is Yulp. This guy's just standing on bamboo. You're gonna get hurt, Yulp. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I hit you with my seeds? Let's see. So, I'm pretty sure, yeah, in creative mode, I can just kind of do whatever I want, huh? I can give myself a netherite sword and some, some netherite armor. Actually, how do you equip stuff in this mode? Oh, here we go. Tomar's cool netherite armor. People trying to dump their junk into my lap. Alright. Alright. Venture forth. Let us venture forth onward and upward. Here, I need a shovel. I need me a beautiful netherite shovel. That's what I need. That'll do. That'll do for now. Onward and upward, I say. Or downward and lowward. I guess in creative mode, everything just instantly... Oh, who just buried me in here? I really don't know what to do, but oh, what's being spelled out here now? Oh, no. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Wait, what does that say? I mean, whatever it is, it wasn't successfully spelled. There's enough of you that are good to counter those of you that are evil, and for that alone, I'm so grateful. I really do think we have one of the coolest viewer bases. I mean that, you guys. The fact that things are still happening and we haven't crashed the server yet is is a wonder to behold. What's going on up here? Oh no, it looks like you guys are trying to spell something bad, but it just isn't working. I'm telling my mom a Tomar said I'm cool, said Captain Squiggles. Captain Squiggles, who are you? Who are you in the game? Also, let's see. I think I missed some stuff. Captain Squiggles, thank you for the 70 bits. I like the guilt tactic. If you ruin it for everyone, that's on you. I mean, it's true though. Like, it's not worth like the effort of like policing a server. You know, we just want to have a little bit of fun. What is this thing supposed to be? Tomar's ultimate toilet server, please behave. Oh, this takes me back. Is that a reference to back when we built our giant toilet on Oni Plays? Is that what this thing is supposed to be? Because I would have never guessed. I don't know what I'm looking at. We've got this. What is being written in the sky? Lie? Ly. It's like I almost just want to like log off, leave this server running until Tuesday, and come back and just behold it. Maybe we will do that. I think we can afford. What? How many hours is it till Tuesday? It's like 100 something hours. It's what? It's a solid like 40 something dollars. Uh, 40, 50, 60 bucks. I think based on, you guys contribute plenty. I really don't mind leaving the server up for a while if I can just trust you all to be good. But I also know that leaving this open publicly without the whitelisting trick might be a very bad idea. But you know what? We can always start from scratch if this server goes to hell. It's all disposable. It can all be replaced. But I mean, Joshua Tomar, no. I just like the idea of maybe closing the server down over the weekend and then messing around with the mods, getting some like plugins installed, adding some cool extra gameplay. I really did like the idea of this being an event server. Tomar, you make my day. Who said that? Oh, hey there, such a joker. We got the Joker here. We've got Militron, the mighty Militron. So many. Look at this space waffle. What is going on there? Who just teleported me? That was definitely one of the mods. Someone is messing around. Someone just teleported all into the nether. Who's doing this? I'm sure I could check my logs somewhere. Why is Brian Griffin attacking me? Oh. Oh, Briss Willis. Oh, that stinks. Oh, sorry about that to everyone who's being torn apart by the evil demons of the nether. Oh, Sock Monkey, you have a colorful outfit. We've got a literal clown in here. Oh, hey there, Butt Turtle 21. Everyone getting featured on the stream here. I'm sorry I'm barely reading chat. I hope none of you guys are saying anything too awful. But I know I can count on you guys in normal chat, so I would hope you'd behave yourselves just as well in Minecraft chat. The sound of those things has always creeped me out. Those little fellas. This guy over here. Just beat him up with my shovel. Take care of that for you guys. Kill him, Tomar. no problem, Junk Duck. Oh, and look, we've got another portal back to the real world. Oh goodness me! What's shooting those fire? Is that just something that happened to shoot a fireball through the portal? I didn't know fireballs could travel through the portal. What happened now? Someone's messing. Someone's messing around. Oh my goodness. Is this just from the sheer amount of people that just died? I won't be taking your items. Oh goodness, no. Oh look, someone did drop fireworks. How do you launch the fireworks? Oh. You just have to have a launching point. Ah! Someone keeps moving everybody. Who do I have to thank for this? How do we join the Minecraft server, Tommy? Asks Aduna Duna. This is evil. What evil entity is doing this? This is obviously one of my mods. This is totally mod abuse. I'm with Joker on this one. Don't abuse your power. When I find out which one of you is doing this, I will announce it. And then you'll have to live with that guilt that everybody knows what you did. In fact, let's go check the logs. What if we did that? Hey there. It's Alan, bruh. It's like a Firefox. Oh, what kind of cape is that? Is that a special cape? I don't know how people get most of the capes that are out there. I know I got mine from going to like Minecon, whatever the first Minecon was. It was like 2010 or 2011. Uh, I get randos emailing me like every other month asking to buy my account because it's, I guess it's public record who has what capes. Uh, oh, Mojang gave you a free cape recently. All these capes, these cape crusaders. But yeah, let's check our logs. Let's see if we can find out if someone in particular was doing evil stuff. Let's see. You know what? This is a bad idea because I'm going to wind up doxing people's IPs. So I am going to just hide my display for a second. And we'll have a look. Tyler says you killed everyone. Who's Tyler talking to? Did whoever did that admit to it already? I wouldn't even know. I can finally check my Discord to see if there's anything going on here without showing it to the world. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna disconnect from that screen session again. Let's just play some damn Minecraft. I'd absolutely love to go into regular survival mode. Oh, whoops. And just play the game and just be a weirdo, but I feel like I'll get slaughtered instantly if I do that. And I don't think I have the appropriate mods to give myself invincibility while in survival mode. So I'll just check stuff out. Welcome to my house. This is Nick Goblin's house, allegedly. Although I get the impression that many people are sharing this home as it burns to the ground. This is Peace House, run by Bob. I think a lot of people are taking... There's a griefer in the server? Up, and away! Oh, what did I hit? What does this say? Lyle. Okay. It says Lyle, as in Lyle. What a fun little mess we've got. Minecraft isn't on screen. Oh, that's right. I forgot to unhide my display. Greenbot knows what's up. Boating across land. I didn't know boats worked so well on land. Like, it's obviously slower than walking, but was this always a thing that boats could just glide across the land? Hey Tyler, how you doing down here? Don't tell anybody else I came here, okay? I'm trying to lay low. Hey there, Cowitch, what's up? Hey. Hope you're having a good day. Got Junk Dog in there. We're in the hall. The Espadita. How do I join the server? As Dingo01. The server is at minecraft.tomamoto.com. Here, is there a way I wish there was a way to make it permanently. You know what? I bet there is. One sec. I got this, you guys. We're going to add a GDI plus text source. Oh yeah, we had this one called Octomar Jump Scares. That's old. We're gonna... Remember this? Most of these don't apply. I'm just reusing this, okay? Except for the no talent scare. Let's see. We're gonna remove that. Let's see. So, server is... Minecraft server... it's gonna be... Minecraft.tomimuto.com. And that'll just have to do. There. We'll have that, like... I don't like that right justification. Let's center it. Center alignment. Oh, much better. We'll just put this up here. And now we can go back to... What? Oh, there we go. What a dumpster fire this has become. But I love that it's remained stable despite that. I mean, no one's getting any, like, horrible lag, right? I'm certainly not. See, this is the beauty of running in AWS Cloud. You get really good bandwidth. And we can just run, we can get charged by the hour. See, there wasn't much of a plan for once we got past this point, but next time we do a Minecraft stream, I really do love the idea of, like, doing more event-based stream. Cripes. Someone tried to kill me and was subsequently murdered. Oh. I'm just gonna be up here. Wait a minute. Who did this? Azuma. What's going on? What's going on? Lenny's putting together a fun little minecart, little roller coaster that goes under the wart sign. The infamous wart sign. Got all these powered tracks. So yeah, if we got a powered minecart on here, right? We could have a little fun. I guess, yeah, would it be or it could just be a normal minecart on a powered track, right? It's been so long. I guess it's not really powered by anything. I'm just falling into the lava. It destroyed my minecart. That was a bad place to start from. This is just bad memory. Yeah, it needs a redstone hookup. It says primary denizen in chat. By the way, Seabread, thank you for subscribing with Prime. Candy Cane 39. Thank you for resubscribing for 7 months. Noble Nuggy, thank you for the 333 bits. Tomar, I missed the first half of the stream and will continue to miss the rest of the stream. No, Noble Nuggy, no! I'm a busy fella who just came in to say hi. Stay golden, Tommy boy. P.S. Ellipses. Well, thank you for that. We got Esta Soup. Thank you for the 10 bits. I would join, but it's 12 a.m. and I have class in the morning. Have more bits instead. Thank you so much.
Subscription gifted.
Thank you, the Gamer Canine, for gifting a sub to Renaissance Robin. We got Dylan over here. We got Matcha XP. Oh, I can't wait to see what happens with this. I'm expecting a really sick ass roller coaster here. I have total faith. Why is this boat here? I won't tolerate that boat. Sorry, Jordan. Jordan doing the fast duck. Let's all fast duck. Oh, look, we accidentally activated sticky keys and broke the screen capture. Nice sticky keys. Yeah, I should probably turn off sticky keys, huh? I just don't mash shift much these days. Ooh. Here I go. Here I go. Wait, you guys are all going the wrong way. This is the way we're going. Okay, the physics are not working out for me here. There's Dylan. Dylan the son of someone. Down in front. There's too many people on this roller coaster. On this vile thing. Cowwitch, get out of the way. Oh, what have you done? What have you done? No! Aww. You guys don't let me have any fun. Add power. What chaos. What utter chaos we've created. See, what this doesn't need to be here. Now, why would you go and do a thing like that? The tracks need to be clear. I cannot abide if the tracks are not clear. Oh, what's happened? I know it's just dirt. But this'll do. It can be restored. No! Oh, good. They got him off. I guess this just makes for a bad weapon. Blasted thing. Deploy to EKS next. I mean, we could. It's just... Then I have to actually, like, spin up an entire EKS cluster, which is way more EC2 instances than this. Although, I guess, yeah, as long as we can spin them back down when we finish. This is just a lot more portable. And also, like, is there really any added benefit to deploying this in an EKS cluster? I really don't think there is. Like, it's still a Java, like, sort of, like... I don't know that there's any way to... Unless someone has, like, a solution to, like, distributing a single Minecraft world across multiple servers, I'm pretty sure the best way to go at it is just having one really strong server. Like, we could do more RAM and more CPU all day long. I don't know how deploying over EKS or, you know, Kubernetes would really help us. Has anyone ever used sticky keys unironically? That's a really good question, Spaghetti Shaman. I always assumed that was like... I think sticky keys is an accessibility thing for people who have, like, maybe, like, Parkinson's or something. And I'm not saying that to be, like, cute. I really do think that has something to do with why it was invented. But I actually don't know what I really don't know the origin of sticky keys. Tomar, are you adhering to U.S. federal and state amusement ride regulation? Oh, totally. There we go. Yeah, as long as these have like a little redstone torch, we're good. Hey, you're missing a track here. You're missing a rail. There we go. How can I be of help? Oh, who released these bees? Someone has released a large quantity of bees. I'm getting a little freaked out by the presence of all these unnecessary bees. Alright, let's see. What do we got? I have a stupid alarm going off. Do we want all the tracks powered? Is that the idea? I could be doing powered tracks. Here, we'll do an activator rail. No, wait, we don't want an activator rail. We want a powered rail. Wait, why isn't that... Why won't this curve? Oh, I don't... You can't have curves in activator rails, can you? Is that a rule? Or am I just making that up? It's been a minute since I've played, but I've had a lot of fun There we go. Yeah, I just don't think you can have curves in powered rails. Yipes! What was that noise? That sounded like someone just fell from nowhere. Here's Panda. Here, let's give him a push. Can we do that? Hold on. No, not really. It feels like I'm just clipping through everything. Woo! There's so much junk on the track. There, someone smashed us. Finally! Finally the joy of and it all comes to an end. Here, let's go this way. The bees are dead. It's your fault that the world has run out of bees, Tyler. Bees are a very important part of our ecology. Alright, super long powered rail. Let's build up some speed. Here it comes. Oh no, there's another car on the rail. Ruined it. Totally ruined it. We need an enormous track. But we'd also have to trust people not to destroy parts of it and put blocks on top of it. Oh boy. Oh, this is a mess. I'm bailing. If it'll let me bail. I thought you just right click on the cart. Am I mistaken? Ah. I can't. I'm trapped in this cart. What just happened? Someone placed that on my head. Oh, it's shift. Oh, I forgot. Alright then. Left shift in it. At least the wart sign is being respected. I hope you're proud, Ozma. Did you make this, or was this just someone carrying out your will? Oh, keeping up with chat is always such a thing. Can I make my chat thing bigger? Let's see. How many... Can we add extra lines? Focused height, unfocused height. Yeah, we can improve the focused height, I guess. Or increase the focused height. Who's messing with... Now people are messing with the wart sign. Follow Tomar's YouTube channel. Please! Please clap. Oh wait, this is my chance. It's my big chance. Come on, Tyler. Don't ruin this for me. Ah. God forbid we ever have one nice go round. Come on. Let's move. There's big man. Space syrup is big man. Oh god. Is there a way to check how many people are logged in? Look at all those folks on here. Okay. Thank you, Tiltimus Prime. That was a bit of a Freudian slip. Tiltimus Prime, thank you for subscribing. And Walrus Wrangler, thank you for subscribing. Mordecai, thank you for subscribing for 3 months with Prime now. You should now have your second Tomar Emerald. What a day we are having with our very first TomarStream Minecraft stream. No plan. Nothing specific going on. It's just an awful bloodbath. I hope people are having fun though. I really do. The gamer K9, I don't know if I thank you for that gift sub. I think I did, but thank you again. It's so easy to get distracted by the miny crafters. Oh, the bees are back. The world will be pollinated once more. Oh, that's Dylan. Are you the one generating all these bees? I'm on to you. That's like a thing, right? Save. No. Somewhere in here, there's like there's stuff spawner, right? Oh yeah. Like we could make a bunch of just awful stuff. Like what if there were just... There's zombie horses? I didn't know that was a thing. There's polar bears. No, I don't want a polar bear. Oh, these guys suck. These are bound to piss people off. See, these guys will add some fun to the game, right? Just a little pillaging. If you guys can keep the mine carts moving fast enough, the pillagers won't annihilate you. What am I hearing? Oh. Someone's got a jam going on over here. What? Who did that? Who did that? I'm gonna look. Not on screen. Ah. I don't have good logging. Can't keep up. Is the server overloaded? 195 ticks behind. It feels like you can never get it perfectly optimized. Oh my god! What is... Someone's been planning this all along. Someone built this massive structure just so that they could teleport everybody onto it. The safe way down will always be the water. Make sure you press these buttons. These are very important buttons. If you haven't pressed these two buttons, you haven't even played Minecraft. And this one. And this one. Not this one, not this one, but definitely this one. Oh, hello, the gamer K9. Nice cape you have there. Nice epic freaking cape. Oh, look at you. You're like a sweet Sonic OC. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Gunther, what are we gonna do, Gunther? I like Gunther. Are you like a penguin? I like your penguin design, or your whatever bird that's supposed to resemble. Look at Barrel Wubba with his cool freaking fedora. He's like full steampunk over here. Oh, this is... F-Kim is the Christian Weston Chandler. Not to be confused with Christine Weston Chandler. That's a slightly different model. This is the Christian version. The classic Christian. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh, I love these beacons. You can see them from a billion miles away. Someone made this fancy little beacon house. Or did someone make this? No, there's no way this was just naturally occurring. Does anybody know the secret code? If you press these buttons in the right order, something really cool happens. I guarantee it. Purple Tomar beacon. Behold my purple beacon. If we follow the beacon all the way up, where does it lead? Perhaps to another Minecraft world entirely. I have faith that someday I will arrive at my destination. And I am so grateful to all of you who sent me on my way. Whoa. Have we hit max height? I don't know. No. Ah! There's been a raid. There's been a dang raid. Meat Canyon raided me with a party of 170 people. Guys, we're just playing a little bit of way too many people on the server Minecraft. Don't mind us, Meat Canyon and company. I did not expect this. This was completely unexpected. Hello there. Hello, everybody. Time to go back down to Earth, I guess. Let's just let it drop and see how long that takes. Oh, not long. We weren't that high. Thank you for joining in. Goodness. All the raiders, they have come. Let's see, can someone link me the Discord? There is no Discord. I think that it would be a good idea to have some like mods on Discord or something next time we do something like this. I have someone to talk with. For now, all I can do is play my Jew harp. That's the Minecraft song. Alright, I'll stop. Tommy Chimpo, it's not racist for me to say Jew harp. It's a colloquialism, and also, I get the Jew card. What does this say? Beesh? I don't know what that means. I love going for a vertical swim. What's this mess? This has got to be my mods taking a piss. Who could have done such a thing? Now, I guess that's just dirt. That really could have been anybody, huh? I do just want to follow this beacon to the heaven. To the heavens. To the heaven. They added piss to Minecraft. No, Josh, floor guy, no. Thank you for the 69 bits, Pixie Druid, by the way. And Jurassic Jesus, thank you for subscribing. This is quite the... Somebody tagged Tomar. Good luck finding me. I am at the top of the world. You would need extreme flight powers to catch up with me, or access to the TP command. I can't tell if I'm still... it sure seems like I'm still going up. What'd be real fun is to go really high, and then... Oh, wait. Yeah, and then set myself to creative mode. Like, if I just do... What is it? Game mode. Oh, not creative. And then set myself to survival mode, I mean. And then I just drop out of the sky. And I'll splatter on impact. See, that makes it more fun. The risk of death. Alright. I am back among the mortals. Blast you all. Blast you. I never lived until I could die again. The hordes are among me. Everyone is a target. Everyone is a victim. A potential victim of me. Alright. It was worth it. And I'd do it again. Hey now. Homer Simpson? Why weren't you working? Look at this. Oh, it's Fletcher. Oh, hey, Fletcher. Fletcher's just good old regular Minecraft, what's his name? Steve? Oh, look, Evkim. Oh, Evkim, save me. Row over here. Aw. Alright. I've had my fill. I am mortal again. I won't abuse... I'm sorry, I'm immortal again. I promise I won't abuse these powers. Hey there, Sauce and Steven. That's a fun skin you got there. You look very startled and embarrassed, even. We got Donkey Kong here, or some sort of ape. Who is this ape fellow? Aduna Duna. Hey there, Aduna Duna. It's Zephyr Lamb over here. Aw. I'm having a fun time. I know we haven't been doing anything interesting or particularly, like, inspired, but maybe I just wanted to screw around in Minecraft today after doing my tutorial. I've never done a tutorial before. Does anybody out there feel like they learned anything from that tutorial? It's okay if you say no. You're saying you only support people who use Microsoft Azure? Skelly JP? Sorry, Skelly KJP? Oh wow, people are off the tracks. This is my chance. Come on, come on. Woo! Finally, the ride I've been waiting for. Please, please don't ruin this for me. This is all I ever wanted. No! Oh, wait. Oh, that wasn't... Damn it. Who's pouring lava on the track? Who's... Someone's always trying to ruin the fun. I almost got around all the way around that time. Aw, I got derailed. Bummer, dude. And now someone's trying to burn me? Fat lip, dude. That's so many people. Is there a way to get a player count? Wait, is Jaxie in the room? Who said hi, Jaxie? There's no way. There's no way the Jaximoto is here. There's 82 people on the server. Bye, F the Void. I need to move my Discord stuff. Alright, I'll stop leaking the Discord. I'm sorry. I'm gonna move everything over to my other window. Oh, what a time. I knew this would be a little chaotic. But yeah, no, next time we do this, there will be a freaking cool event planned. I didn't have anything planned besides just setting the server up for today. No! No, who would do such a thing? Let's fix this. Put something there. No. Move. Clear out. There we go. Oh. Oh, what a time. Want me to hop in voice chat? I will. Oh, that's a good idea. Here, we're gonna get some mods on here. Let's have a little chaos before we finish.
Hi, Tomar.
Oh, hey there, Azuma.
It's a bit of a mess.
What's your take? What should we do next time? How can we improve on this?
That's a good question. This is pretty much perfection, honestly.
Have you ever done like in-game events? Like there's got to be some like bucket plugins or something out there that would let us do like a kind of like organized like death match or like some kind of
I was organizing a
race.
death match already. I've teleported everybody on a little platform, and we were having a great time, and then they reset spawn someplace else. So
Why am I
that
not
death match.
I'm not
The
surprised
spawn
that
back
was
'cause everyone
you.
was dying.
Oh, who else? Oh, Tyler's joined us, and we got Kunks in here too.
I am here.
But yeah, we got a pretty motley crew here.
Does any like who was doing what? I'm curious to know who was doing what.
I
as far
didn't
as
do
mods
anything,
go.
and no one can tell you differently. All I did was build a really cool sign. It's nice and blue and yellow.
Yes,
Great
I see
cinematic
it.
colors.
This is built way too close to the wort sign. This wort sign needs at
Oh,
least.
someone is That's you. Oh my God, Tomar, what are you doing?
What?
This is your legacy.
No, I was moving stuff away. I was.
Oh,
No,
it's Cowwitch.
It's Cowitch.
Get out of here.
Cowitch got murdered right before
I
our
only had like
eyes.
2 health anyway. I just slapped them. It's not a big deal. They were gonna
Wait.
die anyway.
Wait, was that? Are you invisible?
I've seen Cowwitch several
Yeah, I'm
times.
invisible.
It is a tragic
Do,
story.
do you have an invisible skin, or do we actually? Is there actually an
No,
invisible?
it's the command is effect. You go effect, and then give, and then yourself, and then Minecraft : invisibility.
Ah, that's cool. I didn't know that's built in now. Look at that.
Yeah, they added a lot of commands.
I mean, everybody knows where I am, I guess, regardless, because they can see my screen. But
I thought you were gonna say because they can smell you.
No.
It's a good smell. I didn't specify bad or good. You don't need to worry.
Stream smelling.
You got that Axe body spray smell. Everybody loves that, right?
Yeah, I smell like the. I smell like cedar wood, like burning
Why is
cedar
everyone
wood.
falling to their death? What the fuck?
Gravity,
Oh, someone took
of
the
course.
Somebody took the water off the spawn.
Well, yeah, I didn't want a wet spawn. That's gross.
How do you?
Okay, but now we just have a fucking innocent person cannon.
Testing.
Okay, well let's put a little.
Hello?
You could just put a block there. Easy fix.
How are they gonna get down, you moron?
You're
stuck in
abusing
this
everyone
little-
again.
Wow, you're just gonna go straight to insults, huh?
Were you not?
You can't behave yourself.
These are
Tomar,
these are
Tomar,
my
I'm taking away
mods.
his mod.
All right.
He went
Alright,
straight
everyone's
to
getting
flinging
banned.
mud.
Nah, too
What,
late.
what do you think this is? We're supposed to
I
be
think-
friendly here. I didn't even say a swear yet.
Okay, you know what? Sometimes you
You know,
accidentally
Doggo
commit
puke, you fucking
genocide,
smell.
You're a little
Alright. You make-
agitated.
You know what? I'm agitated because you call me a moron, and you make me want to swear.
Well,
I'm
you
gonna
know
swear.
what? I think you are.
I'm gonna
Asma.
swear.
I'm gonna prove it. I think
Oh,
you are
God,
a bit of a
okay,
dum dum.
I can de-escalate this.
You call me a dum dum?
Yeah.
How's
What is this?
everybody
What is
out
this?
there liking meeting the
Everyone's
Tomar mod
ganging
team?
up on me.
All of chat says it, Asma. I don't know what to tell you. Everyone knows
What's
it.
chat saying? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at chat.
Chat's
See, now
saying
you guys gotta
stink.
behave yourself because I'm gonna look.
Fletcher said, "Ozma, stop swearing now."
Okay, well, that was a preemptive stop swearing because I didn't swear.
Yeah, I never heard
Um,
Ozma say even like a single little swear.
I'm Ozma.
This is
Fuck.
family friendly.
Oh, Ozma! Ozma!
Ozma
You know
smells
what?
the most.
All I do is give, guys. All I do is give, and you can come out here
Excuse
slinging
me,
insults
you
at me.
spawned at least one ghost, so
I feel like
that's-
I'm in the
that's taking-
trenches. I'm in the
taking light.
trenches right now. I'm getting trench
is-
foot from all of
this
these
your World War
muddy
One?
insults. I'm wading through trash right now, and
This
you
is
guys
all
are
this
that.
day right here.
You know what,
You're-
Tyler,
you
drink
guys
first
are-
blood.
Literal hashtag trash mods. Okay, everyone get on Twitter
This is my D-Day.
at Tomar hashtag trash mods.
I don't want to start
Hashtag trash
I'm gonna
mod.
start some fight on Twitter, but you guys, I feel like I want to see you all just get
I'm
along.
weaponizing your chat,
mods are
Tomar.
over party.
Have you seen how we talk usually? Like bullying is 90% of what we do.
Yeah,
To
that's
each other.
honestly, it's the only thing that's kept us alive.
I have
Chat with
never
people
bullied
talking.
anyone. I've just
You're a
insinuated
goddamn
neutral
liar.
facts, neutral
Nah,
facts,
nah.
If it
and
wasn't
neutral
for our
alternative
Wait, wait, what is
facts.
antagonistic nature,
alternative
we definitely
facts?
would've
Certainly.
been dead.
Ozma
See, Tomar agrees.
proprietor of alternative fact.
All right. I appreciate you guys
All right,
popping in. This is our first mod voice chat thing.
this is
Yeah.
the perfect introduction, honestly.
This is everybody being introduced to the mods for the first time. We're hearing their voices
Why don't we
chat,
put up a
live
nice
on
sign?
stream.
My name's Ozma. I'm Australian.
That's Tyler.
Oh, believe it or not, my name is actually also Ozma. That's crazy.
Yeah,
What?
actually, we're all
Uh,
named Ozma.
Holy
There's no other mods.
Whoa.
Oh goodness.
He just has very elaborate AI bots that he runs in order to feel like he has an actual task force.
I feel
We try our best.
powerless. You know what? I'm gonna pop out of voice chat, but I thank you guys
Okay.
for dropping in.
Well-
But that was our introduction to the mods via voice. We're hitting our 10 o'clock line, or our 10 o'clock period, and Tomar's feeling a little sleepy this evening. So, oh wow, thank you Reldy for subscribing with Prime. Hold on. Every time I leave the window, whatever, you guys can look at our EC2 instance all day. Manoyo82, thank you for the 100 bits. This is the N9T representative of all Tomods. Thank you, Manoyo. Oh, this is not representative of all Tomods. That makes more sense. Yeah, Manoyo wasn't there. Reldy, thank you for subscribing with Prime, and Dylan, thank you for the 50 bits. I wasn't able to be in the chat. That's totally okay. Yeah, everyone is mean to Ozma. I would never be mean to you on voice chat. Not until at least the third voice chat, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't move that fast. But I know you guys have a lot more experience screaming at each other than I have gotten to witness yet. But everyone just got a taste there in the stream. I thank you all for being here, by the way. It sounded like Goofy for a second. It's like, I can almost kind of do a decent goof. No, I'm losing it. I can't do a good Goofy. I thought I could, and I couldn't. Come on. Why isn't it moving? There's too many people around. This is my chance. I want to do a full run of this track before the stream ends. This is very important. Hey there, Mr. Ghostface 12. Beautiful day we're having here, isn't it? Jordan, I swear! Dylan. Oh, this is the end of fun. Thanks, you guys. Thanks, Tiltimus. Thanks, Match XP. Thanks, Mouse. Thanks, Gilbo. Thanks, Failcerus. Thanks, Panda. Thanks, Wasted Kitten and S. Vegeta. Alright, I get it. You guys have destructive tendencies. I shouldn't have just opened up the Minecraft server like this. I gave too much trust. What? What just happened? You're not supposed to be able to kill people in creative mode. Someone definitely did that via a mod command. Oh. I'm dead. Yeah, I should just start banning everybody who ever gets in my way on the minecart. That's not a bad idea. Oh no, wait, someone took me out of creative mode. Stop, I'm Sitter. Stop, I say. Damn it, I almost got it in. I shouldn't have hesitated. I had it. No. No. Game mode creative. Whew. I got out of that one. I got out of that little jam. Oh. Who ruined the ending? All right, this is the first goofy. This is the first goofy stream, y'all. We police more and be less We'll police more and be less goofy in the future. For today, just mess around and have fun, says Dylan. That's what Dylan's actual voice sounds like. You should hear him. Now I can't seem to bust out a flight. It's double shift, or do you just... Oh, I guess you just... No, someone put me on no clip. I was definitely not on no clips before. What? There's mods messing with me. Clear. What does that do? No items. Oh, that clears my items. So if we do set... No. It's effect, clear, Tomamoto. No effects to remove. Well, then why am I no-clipping? I don't understand. Game mode creative. Oh. Yeah, what the heck was I before? Oh, that was in I think someone else put me in spectator mode. Finally, I can touch the earth. I can feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down. Tumbling down. Anyone who comes in here and interrupts my prayers will be met with a netherite sword. Ah! How dare you! Sorry, Chronic Rusty. I warned you. I have to be sequestered in here for 30 days and 30 nights. Tomar, press Alt F4, says Gunter. Why? What would if I hit F1? I forget what F1 brings up. Oh. It just makes the UI go away. Do not enter or you will regret it. What have you done? You have made an unholy mistake. I will accept no challenges. There's a holy thing happening in here. I promise, I swear. Alright, no, I'm out. I'm out. Someone just made me mortal again. What? No, they didn't. For a second, I thought I couldn't fly. Oh, look. A new religion has already started on the server. Wait a minute. Oh god, Cowwitch is murdering everybody. This will not go. This can't be tolerated, Cowwitch. Oh, Cowwitch. Oh, the crafty Cowwitch. I bet he has cool stuff. There you go, Furby. There you go, Space Syrup. Cowwitch, I saw what you did to the wart sign. We'll never forget, Cowwitch. We'll never forget. It's important to press all the buttons. Something cool might happen. All right. This is my final act as the Tomar General. Don't ruin my run. Don't ruin my run. All right. Cafe NA, Keb. Keb, I know it was you. Ban. Keb. Goodbye, Keb. Who wants the next? Our first on-air ban has happened. Whatever, I didn't mean it. How do you unban? What's the command? Someone unban Kieb. I'm getting some crazy speed now. Homer! No! I could have done it. Can we unban Kieb? How is unban not the command? Ban list. Let's just Kieb. Poor guy. He kind of deserved it, but he doesn't deserve a ban. Just a kick. The ban was just more dramatic. Help 2. Help 3. Help 4. As everyone around me tries to murder me. Help 5. I'll find it, I'm sure. Help 6. Help 7. Like, what? If I did ban Kieb, yeah, there's no like extra Is it like deban? Like deop? No. Whatever. I'll just remove it from the ban list manually, I guess. Let's see. Vim banned IPs, non-Vim banned players. Oh, it's not even in the JSON. It's just in memory. How do you unban somebody? Unban, and I'm sure someone's said so in chat a million times. Oh, pardon. That's the freaking command. It's pardon. Yeah, everyone has been saying it in chat. All right. Pardon Kieb. Oh, someone pardoned them like forever ago. Now I just look like a dope. Okay. Here we go. Sauce and Steven. There, thank you for getting off the track. No. The track is ruined. Someone clipped Tomar's delayed unbanning. Why? Why is that an interesting thing to... No! Alright. It's been fun, you guys. So, here. Let's do a funky little vote. I'm gonna stand here atop this turret with Freakout. Freakout and I are gonna be chilling here for a bit. Also Mr. Ghostface 12, I guess. And oh, little waterfall action going on. There's such a joker up there. Oh boy, now we're getting flooded. Hey, wasted kitten. Oh, hey there. Hey there again, Mr. Ghostface. All right, so here's the deal. I'm gonna do a poll. Wait, thank you, by the way, Dylan, for the 50 bits. For future reference, the unban command is pardon. I unban Kiev. Okay, Dylan took care of that. Master Beef Connor, thank you for subscribing. Did I thank Rel Day for subscribing with Prime? I think I did, yeah. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm gonna take my display capture off for a second. We're gonna set up this little pole map. Oh. And let's see. In regards to the fate of Tomartopia, should we ... keep the server up over the weekend and check it out on Tuesday? Burn it and bring it back better sometime? I don't know. What are other options? Yeah, that's enough. I feel like you guys are gonna do awful things. I wouldn't regret leaving this server up over the weekend, would I? Again, I know you guys. It's not really a question of funds. Like I don't, you guys have definitely contributed enough to help pay for the running the server over the weekend. Tomar's voice combined with Minecraft is too soothing, says Snot. Oh yeah, I bet if you have the music on, you're just hearing my voice over calm piano. Duck's Funny Mind owns this place, by the way, according to the chat here in Minecraft. So let's see. Oh wow, it's mixed, but only 32 people have voted on the poll so far. 1, to keep the server up over the weekend, or 2, bring it down, rip it down, and we'll start from scratch another day. We punish the ones that didn't realize how the commands work. It looks like now the keeping the server up is starting to win, now that we have people actually voting. Alright, you know what? Let's run the server over the weekend and just see what happens. Okie dokie. Did I put the server icon in yet? Oh yeah, we should get a server icon. That's like important. Let's see how to get server icon for Minecraft. Let's look this up. 64 by 64 pixel PNG, and it has to be called server icon. What should it be? It could be just the stupid Pogmar thing, since I think I still have paint.net open. Let's just do that. Layers, image, resize, 64 by 64. Save as pogmar64.png. So it just has to be what in the main game directory and called server icon. All right. Gonna open up WinSCP real quick. Still with the screen down. You guys can just listen to the soothing sounds of Minecraft background noise as people beat me up off camera. Or what I could... Whenever I hear things being hit, I just assume it's me.
Who knows when the time will come, but when I show up, the mods chat, and especially you, Tomar, just you wait, even if it's never.
What's that supposed to mean, Snot? Snot's vaguely threatening me now. I don't know how to take that, Snot. Oh, thank you for the 333 bits, Captain Squiggles. It was a good chaotic night. Oh, it was a good chaotic night. I would have to agree. Leave it up, but refresh it post-stream and have mods actually police and not mess with things. Oh, why deprive them of that? Well, we'll see. We'll have a nice talk about it. Me and the mods, we're gonna figure something out. It's if we ever do this again, it's gonna be less chaotic than this. Not necessarily significantly less chaotic, but there will be a bit more of a plan going on. Today was a day to mess around in a high spec Minecraft server. And yeah, I do like the idea of having some proper events. So yeah, we're gonna keep it up. We're gonna hide that poll. What's going on here in game? Tomar is a false idol. What is going on here? This was my poll. Look at this. I'm not an idol at all. You can't be false if you're not the thing that is not real. Wait, Tomar is just a Tomar. Tomar is simply a man. A man like you and you and you and you. And you and you. All right. What does this say? Someone managed to... This is on the bottom of the train track, by the way. Someone snuck in a full Adopt Dylan down here. I'm impressed. Constant reminders on Adopt Dylan Wart. This is my screenshot for the... Is there a built-in screenshot button? I swear there is. Oh, F2. There we go. Saved. 2022-02-17-22-2040.png. It is an itch inside of my brain. Oh wow, it's a double-sided wart. You guys have outdone yourselves. It's time to go to bed, I think. Sweet dreams. I fall asleep with a minecart in my hand. I am but a sleeping Tomar. Oh, Greediest Grin, what is your name? Is it Greedbot? Did I save you? Oh, that was Greenbot. Sorry, Greenbot. I hope you weren't busy. I was trying to save Greediest Grin, but I didn't know their name in chat. Or was that you? Well, enjoy there, Greenbot. You done good. Get a good night's sleep up here. Damn it! Freaking sticky keys! Sticky keys ruining my night. Okay. I'm probably gonna head off pretty soon, you guys, but I do appreciate you sticking around, and you are welcome to have fun on this here Minecraft server at least until Tuesday. I will not guarantee the fate of this server beyond this coming TomarStream on Tomar Tuesday. But yeah, have fun. It's always nice to see an active Minecraft world. Maybe when the camera's off, people will be motivated to do more crazy ambitious stuff, and we'll come back and we'll see some real neat stuff around spawn. Or, and it's fine if you want to build away from spawn too. We can always, I can always teleport over to you. Is that a village in the distance? I wasn't aware of this. This is a game, this is a generated village, right? What's this here? Oh. Netzo's been working on a little something something. Oh no. This village is on fire. Is Space Syrup the arsonist? Space Syrup, little crumb boy, say it ain't so. Say you're not serial arsonists burning down a village for kicks. Cow Witch, was it you? Was it Cow Witch? The gamer Canine is actually claiming to be the arsonist. It was the gamer Canine all Man, Minecraft is too damn addictive. I can't pull myself away. Wait, season 3 finale's Tuesday? Oh, you're right. It's gonna be episode 78. Oh goodness. Well, we really got a plan for this return to Tomartopia. It's gonna be called Season 3 Finale, Return to Season 3 Finale, Return to Tomartopia. We'll have been gone a whole weekend. This entire world will have shifted. I hope I don't just come back to a burning void. I really do hope we get to see some cool creative stuff that we can show off on Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for showing up. Thanks for listening to my tutorial, and thank you for participating in this Minecraft adventure. Bye-bye. Alright, well, I disconnected from the server. Yeah, there's the old Oni Place server. That's definitely not running anymore. Alright. Quit game. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good night. This is a bad background to end on. There's got to be something better. Here, let's just... Bye-bye.